2024 EAA AirVenture Recap. Monnett Sonerai 2L. Waco F Series. Shark. PA-20 Pacer. Rutan Quickie. Dyke Delta DJ2. Hit Special. Sonex. Vans RV3. B-17 Flying Fortress. Acura Integra. Boeing C-17 Globemaster. MiG-28. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon, Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker, Boeing B-29 Superfortress, a bunch of Cessnas, F-5 Tiger, Beechcraft T-6 Texan II Ercoupe McDonnell F2H Banshee, Ercoupe, McDonnell F2H Banshee, Monnett Sonerai 1, Cessna 190s, Gyroplane, Piper PA-22-108 Colt, Flying Death Traps, Fresh Tricolori Tricolor Arrows, P-51 Mustangs, Drone F-35 Eagle, F-22 Raptor, A-10 Thunderbolt II, P-51 Mustang, P-51 Mustang F-22 Raptor, Ford Tri-Motor, Lockheed P-38 Lightning, North American P-51 Mustang, Cessna O-2 Skymaster, Douglas DC-3, North American Rockwell OV-10 Bronco, Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-70, P-51, F-22, F-35 A-10, Beechcraft T-6 Texan II, Cessna O-1 Bird Dog, Aero L-39 Albatros, McDonnell F2H Banshee, Douglas A-4 Skyhawk, Grumman G-21 Goose, P-51 Mustang, P-52 Old Crow, Rutan Long Easy, Cozy Mark V, North American P-51 Mustang,